We have been sending you lots many songs, okay, motivational songs. I hope that was giving you extra energy for making you better push and better understanding about your relaxing your mind and making this NABOSH IGC tomorrow, which you are going to write the examinations. Well, we hope that all of us on the behalf of 3S Life Science Academy, we hope that all are you going to do very miracle and very good results. Okay, we are going to write very good tutorial, very good examination tomorrow. So wishing you very all the best. And today Vandana has sent one beautiful poem, okay, dedicated to all of you. So first of all, all of you can repeat with me. हम सभी मन में कुछ सपने लेकर हम सभी मन में कुछ सपने लेकर भरकर दिलों में आशाएं है सभी की अरमान यही NABOSH IG एग्जाम में सफल कर जाएं। हमें अपनी मेहनत पे विश्वास पूरा किस तरह से सिखाया हमारे सूरज और राहुल सर दिखाया ओबी में उत्तर लिखने की कला बना लिया रूपरेखा अपने दिमाग पर हमने भी ठानी है सफलता पाके लेंगे दम क्योंकि बहाया है पसीने मेहनत दिन रात और महीने न जाया होने देंगे न छोड़ेंगे कोई कसर और दम अब बन गया है आत्मविश्वास हमारा हो गई सब तैयारी एकदम खास ये सब आपके लिए कल के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। आगे जो लिखा हुआ है सबसे पहले समझेंगे सिनारियो देखेंगे ओपन बुक निकालेंगे टेक्निकल पॉइंट्स जोड़ेंगे सिनारियो पॉइंट्स छोटी छोटी पैराग्राफ में लिखेंगे उत्तर पाएंगे पूरी पॉइंट वर्ड्स काउंट्स पे देंगे ध्यान पूरी 100 मार्क्स होगा देंगे उत्तर पूरे 100 मार्क्स रखेंगे हर वक्त नजर और ध्यान ना होगी कोशिश नकल करने की लिखना उत्तर अपने समझ की न लेंगे किसी की मदद न फंसेंगे कोई माल प्रैक्टिस एक भी अदद कर दिखाएंगे अपनी ज्ञान मंजिल पाके लेंगे आराम हमें अपने दम पे हासिल करना सफलता यही है मेरे मन की जज्बात वादा है मेरी पास करके दिखाना अब यही है मेरा अफसाना Very good luck and happy OB exam for tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
बस इस कविता को अपने जहन में डाल दीजिए। मैं बताता हूँ यही आपकी सफलता का राज होगा। आप जो इस कविता में लिखा हुआ है उस चीज को ध्यान रखिए, सिनारियो को ध्यान रखिए, टेक्निकल पॉइंट्स को बुक से खोलिए, सिनारियो को जोड़िए, छोटे छोटे पैराग्राफ में लिखिए और 100 मार्क्स को उत्तर दीजिए। वर्ड्स काउंट के ध्यान में रखिए और नकल मत कीजिए, माल प्रैक्टिस में मत फंसिए, आपको 100% मार्क्स हो जाएंगे। So this is a small dedicated poem by Miss Vandana Agarwal to all of you. So you can give one round of applause, okay, to her.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now This is what everybody is dreaming about, is it? यही चाहिए ना आपको?
Exactly, sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
लेना ही लेना है अभी तो.
लेना ही लेना है ना, तो इसलिए
हाँ,
मैं दिखा रहा हूँ
लेना ही
यहाँ पे, ठीक है? So this is what you want to grab it, you want to steal it, okay?
Yes, sir.
कल आपके लिए सुनहरा मौका है. Tomorrow is a lovely time for you to achieve this, to grab this, to take this, okay? Don't miss any stone unturned, okay? Be genuine. हाँ, आप आराम से इसको पा सकते हैं. This is going to be in your hand, and we have a very beautiful method of honoring you, rewarding you the certificates, okay? And this is what sometime this year in the month of March we had a good celebration in Bangalore. We love to celebrate such event with the learners, okay? So this is how you are going to get this certification in our beautiful rewarding method, okay? So hope so. All of you, every one of you should get this from our hand. And I'm looking this privilege, okay? मैं आपका certificate पे, आपका फाइल के ऊपर मैं आपका नाम लिख के पोस्ट कर सकूं या आपको अपने हाथों से दे सकूं. ये मेरी एक सपना है. अब आपको मेरे सपने को साकार करना है, पूरा करना है आपके हाथों. This is how we are expecting from everyone, okay? So this is how we had a good celebrations, okay? We look this opportunity. हमें ये देखिए, ये मेरा फोटो है, ठीक है. So hope so I'll get this opportunity on your behalf. मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी और उससे भी ज्यादा आपको खुशी होगी और आपके परिवार वाले को खुशी होगी. I'll be the second person, happiest person, but you will be the first person who will be happiest person, okay? So all the best, and I'm looking forward. And yes, all the things I told you, I announced you the last time. I've taken all your score, your goal setting, everything, and we have announced you. I'll just remind you also. The learners who are going to get the distinction and distinction marks 75 and above is going to be rewarded with the 10,000 rupees. That is also applicable. Okay. So grab that, is also an additional advantage to all of you. This is what the method of the 3S. Okay. A special exclusive method. Okay. Of the promoting this your learning methods in the 3S. Okay. So the most IGC examinations, open book examination dated on 6th October 2021 and 7th October. All you know, this is the examination for 24 hours. Is going to start tomorrow at 1:30 PM. दोपहर में 1:30 बजे चालू होगी और आप सभी को लॉगिन आईडी जरूर मिल गई होगी और पासवर्ड आपने चेंज कर लिया होगा. उसमें कोई इश्यू नहीं है, अभी कोई एम्बिग्यूटी नहीं है. लास्ट मिनट पे ऐसा कुछ हुआ भी, आई एम ऑलवेज अवेलेबल टू हेल्प यू आउट इन द केस ऑफ एनी लॉगिन डिटेल्स, डाउनलोडिंग और अपलोडिंग. ओके, वी आर ऑलवेज देयर. ओके, but other than that we are not going to provide you any services to you. Okay, only if you find some difficulty, I can reconnect you with the NABOSH and we'll try to rectify your issues in case of your downloading issues or any login ID password issue. So that much support can be extended to you if in case required. Okay, otherwise we'll be totally disconnected tomorrow for any calls or any message. And I request you, all of you, every one of you, that don't put any message, any unwanted message in the group of any group, not to in our tutorial group, even though I'm telling you any external group as well. If you want to be a very safe, writing of the NABOSH IGC examinations, I may request you, listen to me, but I request you that don't indulge in any such activities tomorrow and after tomorrow till during the examination 1:30 to 1:30. Okay, 24 hours. Okay, so आप सभी से निवेदन है कि आप अपने आप को फ्री रखिए और किसी भी अलग तरह के कोई व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में इस तरह की चीजों में आप ना फंसे. ये मेरी आपसे गुजारिश है, निवेदन है आपके लिए, आपकी भलाई के लिए. और मैं सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, आप लोग जहां पे भी है वहां पे खड़े हो जाएं और एक छोटी सी एक प्रार्थना है, उस प्रार्थना को हम रीड करेंगे, गाएंगे. लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ. ओके,
मन का विश्वास कमजोर हो.
Yeah, good. Thank you very much for this participation. Okay, so first of all, I'll request Vandana to speak Can you?
Thank you so much, and best of luck for your tomorrow examinations. And thank you so much for keeping believe in 3S, taking admissions, completed your tutorial journey, and did a hard work. So now it's come to reflect your hard work in the paper. So best of luck, and whatever you have studied, whatever the teachers has guided, according to them, you write the paper, and I have a belief you people will pass. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So I request Mr. Rahul Eren to.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thanks for giving the opportunity. And I will say good evening to all. And all the learners already they have done a lot of hard work. They have a good understanding of the scenario, and they have done the practice of all previous OBs. And now the time has come. Whatever the tools, technique you know that you have to apply tomorrow, and to get this NIBOS open book exam certification. From my side, for every learner, all the best to get pass in the first attempt to this NIBOS open book examination.
Thank you, Rahul. Thank you for your valuable words. Okay, and I'll request Mr. Suraj to add some points here.
Hello, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Yes, good evening. So how is the Josh? I'm copying Subhash sir's dialogue.
जोश high, sir. तो ठीक है सर. बाकी कल होश में देखेंगे क्या?
बाकी कल होश में देखेंगे. Okay, good. So don't get stressed. अभी don't get worked out. ऐसा मत सोचो कि अभी इतना ये सब हो रहा है. Like don't feel stressed. Take it easy. Last day you should be relaxed. Abhi tak you have put effort, whatever you could do, maximum you have done, depending on the person. So abhi kal ke liye, like follow all the techniques, but stay calm. If you are stressed, you will not be able to write it as much as comfortably. So don't keep stressed, and otherwise all the best to everyone from my side. I hope all of you will pass.
Very good, Suraj.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Niazul, can you able to hear me? Niazul from Jamshedpur.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Yeah. So you can also give some few words.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. I would just like to advise you that today be relaxed, be and sleep as much as you can, because आज आप लोग जितना सोगे कल आप लोगों को जागना भी होगा. So I advise from my end that आप लोग आज आप लोग आराम से सो जाओ, आराम से relax रहो, chill रहो, and all the best from my side.
Very well, very valid point that you should keep relaxed, chill. Okay. So today is very important. Hi Shantanu.
Best of luck for examination tomorrow. Examinations. I hope all preparation is very well. Okay, do well. Best of luck once again.
So this is all from our side, and rightly said, like today is very important for you. Don't stress yourself. Suraj told you about. Don't take it more stress today, because tomorrow is you need to be very cool. The mind has to be very cool and calm. Okay.